Hi, it's Isabel at Lloyd South Lakes BMW, and here we have a 118i M Sport Sports hatch, finished in Alpine White. It has 18-inch M V-spoke orbit grey alloy wheels, with M Sport brakes and blue brake calipers, enhancing the M Sport look and feel. In the rear windows it has sun protection glass, protecting backseat passengers from harmful UV rays, while also adding an element of privacy. As it's an M Sport car, it has the M Sport suspension, lowering the car by 10mm, and has a more direct suspension setup for dynamic and sporty driving. It has a top speed of 132 mph, and it can get from 0 to 62 in 8.9 seconds. The wing mirrors can be electrically folded in when locking the car to protect them from passing traffic or pedestrians, and they'll fold back out when unlocking the car. Moving on to the interior, it has the Black Dakota leather with perforation upholstery and front heated sport seats, essential for driving in the winter as they're quick heating. If you're interested in learning more about this 118i M Sport Sports hatch, please get in touch via the details provided, or come and visit us at Lloyd South Lakes BMW.